don't die. Come on.
My God, Shaw, answer
Don't
me.
Die.
Don't die on me, son, please. Breathe. You gotta breathe.
Come on, he's gotta breathe.
Don't leave me. Please. Sean, don't leave me.
Oh my God, are you serious? Oh, thank God.
Oh, Sean. Oh. I thought you were gone.
Dad, I knew you'd come and save me.
Oh, thank God.
Ethan!
What are you doing here?
I did some hunting around. I know who the killer is, Ethan. I can prove your innocence.
Congratulations, Ethan.
Uh-oh.
You succeeded. You're the father that I have been looking for all these years. The man capable of giving his own life to save his son.
You got what you wanted. I finished your trials. Now let us go.
I'm afraid that's not possible. Your lady friend knows my little secret. I don't intend to end my days in prison. I'm going to have to kill you both.
Really?
I'm sorry.
That's not...
You earned my respect.
Oh no.
Ethan!
No! Really? This is not happening. What the fuck? Fucking bastard. Uh-oh. Oh God. God, that was crazy. God, I don't even know where I'm going. Come on, you gotta do your medicine, please. That's a lot of R1L1, goddammit. God! I wonder what is my fucking arms, Jesus. Oh, God. Oh yeah. Kill it. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. God. Oh, please let me know that we did it. God damn it. Ethan resurrected. We didn't die. So that's good, right? I think. I didn't miss the button, so I don't know why I got shot anyway, because I know I didn't fail. Kid saved. Yes.
There was general relief this
Hero.
morning when the police
Yay.
announced that they had found Sean Mars alive more than 4 days after his disappearance. Mars had been imprisoned in a well by the man known as the Origami Killer. The successful resolution of this case was made possible only by the bravery of Mars, who the police believed at one point to be the killer. It is no doubt
Great
due to
job,
his great
yeah.
courage and tenacity
I think
that
I
he
did a good
succeeded
ending.
in
I
foiling the plans of the Origami Killer. The police commissioner presented him with an official apology today. Our main headline today: it is reported that the
his
police
face.
have identified the man thought to be the Origami Killer. Scott Shelby, 48, is a former police lieutenant who claimed to be a private eye hired by the families of the killer's victims. Shelby was killed during a massive police operation, but further details have not yet been released to the public.
Yeah, police, right? Pretty good ending. Yeah, I think so. Yay! TT!
Let's just say a friend of a friend let me jump in line. If we like it, it's ours.
I like you. This is good. Seems like a nice house and everything.
Hey, Dad! I think I found my room!
Well, what do you think?
It's perfect, Ethan. We'll be able to forget what happened.
Happy family time.
We'll lead a
yeah.
normal life. And one day, it'll all just seem like a bad dream. We've earned the right to be happy now, Ethan. All three of us.
Are you sure you've thought this through, Norman? You've got a promising career ahead of you.
Oh,
It's a
is he
pity
quitting?
With all due respect, sir, I'm done thinking.
I think you did a good job.
I need to lead something like a normal life.
Yes.
I've just got a bit too close to everything recently. I need to step back. At least for a while.
Will you be coming back to the FBI?
I don't know. I'm making no promises.
So we quit.
You can keep your Ari if you like. This one's going offline. There's a new model due next month.
No, don't keep it.
I think you better take it back.
Yeah.
It's just a little too compelling and, well, it won't help me where I'm going. The real world.
Yes. That's why you need to think.
Whatever you want. I hope you find what you're looking for, Norman.
I hope so too.
I think we did a good job with him. I mean, we didn't let him die, so. the real world, but yeah. How did he actually contribute to anything? Well, he believed that that Ethan wasn't actually the origami killer, so that was good. I think he was right. He was missing something, but I didn't want to push him. He would probably die. Oh, there's Scott. Yeah, October 2011.